Modern health advice often feels generic, overwhelming, and sometimes even contradictory. With so many trends, diets, and quick fixes out there, it's easy to feel lost or frustrated, unsure of what truly works for your unique body and lifestyle. But Ayurveda offers a truly personalized approach, one that honors your individuality and helps you find balance in a way that feels natural and sustainable. Ayurveda, the science of life, is a holistic system from India that's over 5,000 years old. It's a time-tested tradition that has helped countless people achieve lasting health and inner harmony. Unlike many modern systems, Ayurveda sees health as a vibrant balance of mind, body, and spirit, not just the absence of disease. It's about feeling truly alive, connected, and at peace within yourself. When you're in harmony, you feel energetic, clear-headed, and well. When out of balance, issues like weight gain, fatigue, or stress can arise, signaling that your body needs gentle support. Ayurveda looks for the root cause of imbalance and uses gentle, natural methods to restore equilibrium. This might include herbal remedies, mindful movement, or simple lifestyle shifts that fit seamlessly into your daily routine. It's not about quick fixes or extreme diets, but about building sustainable, healthy habits that nourish you over time. Ayurveda encourages you to listen to your body's signals and respond with kindness. Think of your body as a unique ecosystem. Ayurveda helps you understand and care for it, recognizing that what works for one person may not work for another. It's a journey of self-awareness and self-care. For weight loss, it's not just about counting calories, but about the quality of food, how it's prepared, and how it makes you feel. Mindful eating and enjoying nourishing meals are at the heart of this approach. This is a journey of self-discovery, empowering you to become your own health expert. You'll learn to trust your intuition and make choices that support your unique needs and goals. In our fast-paced world, Ayurveda reconnects us with our bodies and nature's rhythms, reminding us to slow down, breathe, and appreciate the simple joys of life. If you want a nurturing, tailored weight loss plan that respects your individuality and supports your well-being, you're in the right place. Ayurveda meets you where you are, guiding you step by step. Let's explore how this ancient wisdom can help you thrive from the inside out, creating lasting health, balance, and joy in your everyday life. At the heart of Ayurveda are the three doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. These ancient concepts are more than just theories. They are the foundation of how Ayurveda understands the human body and mind. Each dosha represents a unique blend of the five elements: earth, water, fire, air, and space, woven together to create your individual constitution. These are fundamental energies that shape your body, mind, and health. They influence everything from your physical appearance and digestion to your emotions and mental clarity. The balance of these energies determines your overall well-being and how you respond to the world around you. Everyone has all three doshas within them, but usually, one or two are more dominant, making your mind-body type truly unique. This dominance is what gives you your distinct personality, preferences, and even your health challenges. Vata, linked to air and space, brings creativity, quick thinking, and bursts of energy. When balanced, Vata types are lively and imaginative. But when Vata is out of balance, it can cause anxiety, restlessness, and irregular digestion, making it important to nurture stability and warmth. Pitta, connected to fire and water, fuels your drive, ambition, and strong digestion. Balanced Pitta types are focused, passionate, and courageous. However, too much Pitta can lead to irritability, impatience, and inflammation, so cooling and calming practices are essential. Kapha, rooted in earth and water, gives you calmness, endurance, and physical strength. When kapha is balanced, you feel grounded and compassionate. But excess kapha can cause sluggishness, weight gain, and resistance to change, so stimulation and movement are key. Understanding your dosha helps you tailor your diet, exercise, and daily habits for optimal health. It's about making choices that support your unique constitution rather than following a one-size-fits-all approach. Vata types need grounding foods, regular routines, and plenty of rest to stay balanced and avoid feeling scattered. Pitta types benefit from cooling foods, calming activities, and time in nature to keep their inner fire in check. Kapha types thrive with stimulation, variety, and regular movement to keep energy flowing and prevent stagnation. Each dosha has unique weight tendencies. Knowing yours is key to effective weight loss. For example, Vata may lose weight easily but struggle to keep it on, while Kapha may gain weight quickly and find it harder to shed. Pitta types often maintain weight well, but can gain if their fiery appetite goes unchecked. Ayurveda's wisdom lets you work with your body, not against it. By honoring your dosha, you can create a lifestyle that feels natural and sustainable, leading to lasting health and happiness. This is the foundation for a truly personalized health journey, one that adapts to your needs, your rhythms, and your goals. Let's discover your unique balance and unlock the best version of yourself through Ayurveda. Discovering your dominant dosha, or prakriti, is like unlocking your body's manual. Start with a dosha quiz. Look at your body type, appetite, stress response, and skin. Vata types are light and quick. Pitta are medium and intense. Kapha are strong and steady. Most people are a mix like Vata Pitta or Pitta Kapha. Your prakriti is your lifelong constitution, but your current state, or vikriti, can shift with stress or diet. Imbalances can show up as weight gain, low energy, or mood changes. Understanding both your nature and your current state is crucial for weight loss. A kapha needs light, spicy foods and vigorous exercise. A vata needs grounding, nourishing meals. Personalizing your approach makes weight loss intuitive and sustainable. Stop guessing. Let your dosha guide your choices. Work with your nature, not against it. In Ayurveda, how you eat matters as much as what you eat. Strengthening your Agni, digestive fire, is key to weight loss and health. Mindful eating is powerful. Sit down, focus on your meal, chew slowly, and notice your food's colors and flavors. Eat your largest meal at midday, when digestion is strongest. Keep dinner light and early. Eating with nature's cycles supports your body's rhythms. Adjust your diet to the seasons. Cooling foods in summer, warming foods in autumn, light and spicy in winter. Avoid distractions while eating. This helps you recognize fullness and aids digestion. These simple habits boost your metabolism and help prevent weight gain. Ayurveda's approach is about harmony, not restriction. Let your meals nourish both body and mind. An Ayurvedic diet for weight loss centers on whole, natural, easily digestible foods. Choose fresh, seasonal, organic ingredients full of prana, life force. Fill half your plate with cooked vegetables, especially leafy greens and light, bitter veggies. Root vegetables are great in moderation, especially when spiced. Opt for light grains like barley, quinoa, millet, or small amounts of basmati rice. Legumes such as lentils and mung beans provide protein and fiber. Khichdi is a classic detox meal. Spices are Ayurveda's secret weapon. Ginger, cumin, turmeric, and black pepper boost digestion and metabolism. Start your day with warm water, lemon, and ginger to awaken your system. These foods and spices help your body shed excess weight naturally. Focus on nourishment, not deprivation. Simple, flavorful meals can transform your health. Let nature's gifts support your journey. Knowing what to avoid is as important as knowing what to eat. Processed, packaged, and leftover foods are low in prana and hard to digest, leading to toxin buildup and weight gain. Heavy, oily, and fried foods overwhelm digestion, especially for kapha types. Choose steaming, baking, or sautéing over deep frying. Limit heavy cheeses, creamy sauces, and fatty meats. Avoid icy drinks, they weaken your digestive fire. Excess sugar and artificial sweeteners increase cravings and kapha. Opt for warm water or herbal teas instead. Small swaps, like fresh meals and less sugar, make a big difference. Support your body by making conscious, nourishing choices. Here's a simple Ayurvedic meal plan designed to support healthy weight loss and bring balance to kapha dosha. This approach emphasizes mindful eating, seasonal ingredients, and gentle nourishment for your body and mind. Begin your morning with a cup of warm water infused with fresh lemon and ginger. This simple ritual helps awaken your digestive system, flush out toxins, and set a positive tone for the day ahead. For breakfast, choose a small bowl of warm quinoa or millet porridge. Add a sprinkle of cinnamon and cardamom for flavor and digestive support, and top with fresh berries or seeds for extra nutrients. Steer clear of cold, heavy breakfasts, as they can slow down your metabolism and make you feel sluggish. Make lunch your main meal of the day. Fill half your plate with a variety of cooked, colorful vegetables. Add a quarter plate of light, easily digestible protein such as mung dal or grilled fish, and the remaining quarter with wholesome grains like quinoa or basmati rice. Eating your largest meal at midday aligns with your body's natural digestive strength. Enhance your meals with digestive spices like cumin, coriander, turmeric, and black pepper. These not only add flavor, but also help your body process food more efficiently. Keep dinner light and eat it early in the evening. Opt for a nourishing vegetable or lentil soup, or enjoy steamed veggies with a small piece of baked fish. This supports restful sleep and overnight repair. Aim to finish your dinner at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime, giving your body time to digest and rejuvenate while you sleep. In the evening, avoid rich, oily, or heavy foods, as well as late-night snacking. These habits can disrupt digestion and make it harder to maintain a healthy weight. Pay attention to your hunger cues and adjust your portions mindfully. Eat until you feel satisfied, not stuffed, and honor your body's signals. Focus on warm, freshly cooked, lightly spiced foods. These are easier to digest and help keep your energy steady throughout the day. Remember, this meal plan is just a starting point. Personalize it to fit your unique needs, preferences, and lifestyle. Ayurveda encourages flexibility and self-awareness. Consistency is more important than perfection. Making small, sustainable changes over time will have a greater impact than striving for flawless meals every day. Let your meals be a source of nourishment, energy, and joy, supporting your overall well-being on your journey to a lighter, healthier you. Ayurveda is about small, consistent habits, dinacharya, that create balance. Align your day with the sun, wake before sunrise, sleep by 10 p.m. for optimal rest and repair. Exercise daily, tailored to your dosha. Kapha needs vigorous movement, vata gentle activity, pitta moderate intensity. Move in the morning for best results. Self-care matters. Try Abhyanga, a warm oil self-massage, to nourish body and mind. Manage stress with daily meditation or breathing exercises. Even 5 minutes of mindfulness can lower stress and reduce emotional eating. Build habits gradually. Start with 1 or 2 and add more over time. Consistency, not perfection, is key. These routines regulate your body's rhythms and support weight loss. Let your daily habits become your foundation for health. Ayurveda is a lifestyle, not a quick fix. Ayurveda is more than a diet. It's a compassionate path to health. Focus on balance, not just the scale. Listen to your body's wisdom and respond with care. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Celebrate small victories. Each mindful choice builds momentum. Trust your body's ability to heal and thrive. Pay attention to real results. More energy, better sleep, improved digestion. Let go of quick fixes. Embrace steady, sustainable change. Your journey starts with your next choice. You deserve vibrant health, and Ayurveda can guide you there. Here's to your well-being and a lighter, happier you.